Have you found head lice or been diagnosed with scabies? Before using Derbac M Liquid, watch this video until the end. One simple mistake can make the treatment less effective and allow the infestation to come back. Hello, and welcome to Medzy Health. In today's video, we'll explain Derbac M Liquid, what it's used for, how it works, how to apply it correctly, possible side effects, and important safety advice. Let's get started. What is Derbac M Liquid? Derbac M Liquid contains Malathion 0.5%, an insecticide used to treat head lice and scabies. It works by killing lice, mites, and their eggs, helping to clear the infestation when used correctly. Derbac M should only be used externally on the skin or scalp and should always be used according to the product instructions or advice from a healthcare professional. What is it used for? Derbac M Liquid is commonly used to treat head lice and scabies. It is not used to treat bacterial or fungal skin infections. How to use Derbac M for head lice? Apply enough liquid to completely cover the hair and scalp. Pay special attention behind the ears and the back of the neck. Allow the hair to dry naturally. Leave the product on the skin for the time recommended in the product instructions before washing it out. Use a fine-toothed lice comb to remove dead lice and eggs. Some people may require a second treatment about 7 days later if advised. How to use Derbac M for scabies? Apply the liquid to the entire body from the neck down. Cover all skin folds, between fingers and toes, under fingernails, and the soles of the feet. Leave it on for the recommended time before washing it off. Your healthcare professional may advise treating all close household contacts at the same time to reduce the chance of reinfestation. Possible side effects. Most people tolerate Derbac M well. However, some may experience mild skin irritation, burning or stinging, redness, dry skin. Stop using the product and seek medical advice if you develop severe skin irritation, swelling, or signs of an allergic reaction. Important precautions. Avoid contact with the eyes, mouth, and inside the nose. Do not apply to broken or severely inflamed skin unless advised by a healthcare professional. Because the liquid may be flammable, keep it away from naked flames, cigarettes, and other heat sources while it is on the skin or hair. Tips to prevent reinfestation. Wash recently used clothing, towels, and bedding according to the care instructions. Check close family members for head lice or scabies and treat them if recommended. Avoid sharing combs, brushes, hats, or bedding until treatment is complete. Final thoughts. Derbac M Liquid is an effective treatment for head lice and scabies when used exactly as directed. Following the instructions carefully and treating close contacts when appropriate can help prevent the infestation from returning. If your symptoms continue or become worse after treatment, contact your GP, pharmacist, or another healthcare professional. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to Medzy Health, and turn on notifications for more trusted medicine guides. Now click on the recommended video on your screen to learn the most common mistakes people make when treating head lice and scabies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.